Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, fix desktop or Explorer does not refresh automatically in Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Find system type. In my case system type is 64-bit. In 64-bit, click and expand H key classes root, click and expand WoW 6432 node, click and expand CLSID. Create new key, new name is given in description. Create new key name as instance. Create new D-word 32-bit value named as don't refresh, change value data to 0. Close and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.